How to fix Instagram specific reply to a message not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix if you're not being able to reply to a specific message on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is, let's say that you open Instagram and then you open a certain chat and then you're trying to chat to somebody. You want to reply to a specific message. In order to do that, we would need to simply long press on it to that specific message and then tap on the reply button. But sometimes due to a glitch or a bug, that particular software will not work. So what you have to do is, in that case, there is also another solution, and that is that you can simply swipe right to that particular message. When you swipe right, you can see it says replying to that specific message. And that is the first alternative solution which you can do. If that doesn't help, the other thing we're going to do is whether or not the Instagram app has some updates available. So we will go ahead and open up our respective app store. In the search box, we will type in Instagram, and if you see an update button next to the Instagram app, go ahead and then update it to the latest version. Once you've updated it, open it and then see if your issue has been fixed or not. Last but not the least, we would simply need to report a problem to Instagram if this doesn't work. So go to your profile page, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, and go to help, tap on report a problem, select OK, or you can also go ahead and actually report problem without shaking it. And preparing a bug report, I would recommend you to also take a screenshot of your messages that you're not being able to reply to a specific message, and simply send a report to Instagram. Hopefully they're going to get back to you with a positive solution. So once you submit your report, wait a few days until they get back to you. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.